What if we build tunnel through the earth? Did it ever cross your mind? What if we could travel from one point on earth to another in the shortest time possible? The idea of building a tunnel through the center of the earth is basically impractical, as we would see later in this video. Let's see what would happen if we somehow build a tunnel through the center of the earth to the opposite side. What will happen? The total length of tunnel would be around 12,742 kilometers. If someone jumped into the tunnel, they would fall down towards the center of the earth, accelerating due to gravity. By the time one has reached the halfway point after falling for 21 minutes, the speed will be 28,000 km per hour. The whole trip wouldn't require energy if we look into it. The gravitational potential energy would be exchanged with kinetic energy on the way down, and on the way up it will be exchanged back. No energy will be created or destroyed in this process, in accordance to the laws of thermodynamics. The important thing here is to make sure the tunnel is complete vacuum so that there is no air resistance through the whole journey. If there would be any air resistance, the person would have been stuck at the center of the earth, completely weightless and helpless. Gravity train. We can still take the advantage of Earth's gravity tunneling between 2 points on Earth. This could be done though digging a tunnel of shorter distance. This concept is called gravity train. For example, you could build a shallow tunnel from London to Paris, which only goes down 55 kilometers into the earth. Evacuate the tunnel and the gravity train is pulled down for half the journey and then decelerates naturally in the second half. This journey would take only 42 minutes in total. Through this concept, traveling between any 2 points through a tunnel in the earth would just take 42 minutes. Challenges. This idea, as we told earlier, is practically impossible due to so many reasons. Under pressure. Building a tunnel through the earth would require overcoming massive pressure exerted by 6.6 sextillion tons of rock pressing inwards. That's equivalent to roughly 3 million times sea level pressure. Size. A tunnel just 7.6 meters across would displace 20 billion cubic feet of rock. We wouldn't be able to handle that amount of rock. Temperature. Its interior is staggeringly hot due to a number of factors, including kinetic energy, formative impact, gravitational compression forces, internal friction, and radioactive decay. Fatal attraction. Due to the Coriolis effect and angular momentum, the sideways motion will carry someone into the wall before going down the shaft. What do you think about this topic? Do let us know in the comments below.